Good morning, class. Today I'm going to present a movie called Last Night in Air. The movie is about an emergency situation in the hospital and shows how doctor and nurse work under stress to save lives. It is very recent because it reflects real life situation and keeps the audience engaged from beginning. Genre: it is drama and suspense movie because it shows an emotional emergent situation and keeps the audience in the tension. The suspense it is great because what to don't come what is happening to the patient are fit and well touring both is conditional. Also it was surveillance engine which marks the story more intensity. Main channels. The main channels are Dr. Emma Stone, Nurse Daniel Cruz, and Lucas Reed. Dr. Emma is intelligent, keen, and calm. She is very professional in her job. Nurse Daniel is friend, brave, and funny, and helps is stress situation. Lucas is human who is nervous but honest and represents a patient who is orphan and needs help. Setting: the story takes place in the city hospital emergency room during a racing night. The hospital is buzzing with many patients and a lot of activity. Doctor and nurse are working keep and the environment felt stressful and intense. The setting helps create a sense of urgency and pressure. Beijing. At Beijing, Lucas arrived at hospital with chest pain and is very scared. He thinks something serious is happened to him. Doctors examine him and Emma helps him at risk to calm him down while checking his condition. Problem action. After time they start hunting worse he is breathing fast and the doctor are worrying. The nurse calls for help while Dr. Emma checks his condition again. They hide him oxygen and check his both pressure. This is the most intense moment of story because his life in the danger. In the end, doctor finds the problem Lucas an allergic reaction. She is kind him the correct test and the starts to feel better. They save his life and the thanks every you. Finally, the hospital returns to normal. Conclusions: this movie shows great teamwork and how doctor saves life every day. It teaches us that medical staff must stay calm and work together in difficult situations. It has exciting climax and a happy ending, which makes it a very good movie. Thank you. Teacher, muchas gracias por ver este video, en serio, muchas gracias por haberme dado clases, en serio, estoy muy agradecido. Batallé mucho para grabar este video, demasiado. No llegaba el internet a mi cuarto, me tuve que venir a una oficina que tengo. Eh, Fueron unas batallas, estoy grabando con el teléfono, estoy grabando con la tablet, tengo otro teléfono viejo aquí, entonces espero y valoren mucho mi esfuerzo, traté de hacerlo lo mejor, yo quise pronunciar mejor, pero tengo el tiempo encima, estoy cansado y la verdad como le dije, no me gusta hacer todo para último momento, espero lo valore, ojalá y pueda sacar 10, le prometo voy a sacar 10 en el examen y le voy a proponer, y si saco 10 en esta actividad y saco 10 en el examen, le voy a proponer algo. Espero tenga un gran día y se encuentre bien y espero que mi presentación y mi trabajo le guste y ojalá ya pueda llegar al 100, hice mi mayor esfuerzo y pues nos vemos, un gusto haber coincidido con ustedes en esta clase.